So when you're traveling abroad, how much cash should you change? How many euros? How many if you're going somewhere else, like in Dubai, for example? How many dirham? What should you get? What about India? What about rupees? People are always asking those questions. We're going to talk about it in this video. Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. What about changing money? Well, you know what, these days we don't need to have a lot of cash on us because we have debit cards, credit cards, and you can use those anywhere in the world practically. Now, if we're going to Europe, we normally, or America even, we normally change a little bit of English money into dollars or euros. Now, my recommendation is that you don't do this at the airport because you're going to pay a premium. And I know it doesn't sound a lot, but hey, every dollar helps, right? So the post office is very good, the co-op is very good. Just go check it out. And look for a few days before you go to see which direction it's moving in. But you can order them online and collect them. There's lots of ways you can change money, but don't change hundreds and hundreds of pounds. There is no need. Listen, when you change money, it costs you anyway. It's not free. You pay for it. So better to have a little bit of cash that you can use for necessities. And then have your card with you and just pay for the cost of okay, close the door.
You just stop after this anyway.
Yeah. I know, because we're going to have the Hoover on.
Huh?
The Hoover's going to be on. It's okay, it was left on.
I know.
Okay.
Just seeing if it's still in the right place.
Okay. So it's better to just have a small amount of cash that you need and then take your debit card, your credit card, and then if you want to get cash out, in a place that you are, you can get it out at an ATM and pay the little bit of extra that you pay to get money out. You can usually access it in dollars or euros or wherever it is you are. Now, there are some countries you can't actually get their money over here anyway, like dirham, like rupees. It's hard to get those in UK, so don't. When we were in India, we paid everything in dollars. They shout out the cost in dollars. They shout out, you know, $10 for a cab, $10 for this, and we went into a cafe in Mumbai. We paid for our coffee in dollars. They gave us our change in rupees. So then we paid the cab driver on the way back to the ship in rupees, but we didn't go change and get rupees. We just used them, and any we had left, we just gave it to the Indian waiters. So the problem is that if you change too much on ship, you're not spending cash anyway, except in the casino. And I usually take pounds to go to the casino unless I've got euros left over or dollars left over from a previous trip, because then you can use those in the casino anyway. But normally I just have enough to kind of cover the travelling going at the other end, a bit to tip the taxi driver and so on. That's kind of all that we do. Just have little bits of cash to do that. But then you're not going to lose your money. Don't take more than one card out when you go off ship. Leave everything in the safe. You'll have a safe in your cabin. Use it. So leave everything in there except one card, the card you want to use, and maybe a little bit of cash if you, like dollars or euros, if you want to do something with cash, but don't carry loads of cash around with you. So how much should you change? As little as you can get away with. It's better to pay by card than you've also got a trail, like an audit trail. You know what you've spent, where you spent it. Most shops take cards. It's very rare. Maybe on the market you might not pay by card if there's a market, but even then quite often they'll have a card machine. So just make sure they don't take their your card away with them, because the laws over there are different to the laws here. The laws here, they're not allowed to take your card, but over there they can still, like they used to take it away to the till before, remember, in the good old days. They still do that in some countries, so just be careful. But if you are going to change money, don't do it at the airport. You'll pay a premium for it. Co-op, post office, places like that, go online, do the exchange online, place the order online. You probably get to pick it up at the post office anyway. So yeah, I hope that helps. If it does, give me a thumbs up for the like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm Jan Hobridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. Bye.